Mastering your field, the art of excelling. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very motivational phrase, excel in the field. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also inspires you to aim for greatness in your areas of interest. So, let's get started and unravel what it means to truly excel in any field. First things first, let's break down the phrase starting with the word excel. To excel means to be exceptionally good at or proficient in an activity or subject. It's about surpassing the average or standard level of performance. Excelling is not just about being good, it's about being outstanding. Moving on to in the field. This part of the phrase specifies the domain, area, or discipline where one aims to excel. The field can be anything: science, arts, sports, education, you name it. So, when we say, in the field, we're talking about a particular sphere of activity or area of expertise. Why should one aim to excel in the field? Excelling brings numerous benefits, including personal satisfaction, recognition, and opportunities for growth and contribution. It means you've worked hard, honed your skills, and made a significant impact in your area. Excelling can open doors to new opportunities, inspire others, and leave a lasting legacy in your field. Now, how does one excel in their field? It's a combination of passion, dedication, continuous learning, and practice. Here are a few tips. Set clear goals. Know what you want to achieve. Seek knowledge. Always be learning and staying updated with the latest in your field. Practice consistently. Skills are honed over time with regular practice. Seek feedback. Constructive criticism is invaluable for improvement. Stay motivated. Keep your passion alive, even through challenges. In conclusion, to excel in the field means to perform at an outstanding level in your chosen area of expertise. It's about pushing boundaries, surpassing expectations, and setting new standards. We hope this video inspires you to aim high and strive for excellence in whatever field you are passionate about. Remember, excellence is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep excelling. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.